Today I'm reviewing this creamy daily support supplement for dogs and cats. I bought this because I wanted something simple to add to my pet's daily routine, especially during seasons when they may experience occasional coughing, sneezing, or throat irritation. What I like first is the creamy, lickable texture. You can squeeze it directly into their bowl, mix it with food, or use it as a food topper. It has a savory beef flavor, which can make daily use a little easier, especially with picky eaters. The formula includes botanical ingredients like marshmallow root, angelica root, mullein leaf, and ginger. The directions recommend using it once daily for 5 to 7 days during periods of occasional coughs with weight-based serving instructions. Overall, I like that it's easy to add to a pet's normal feeding routine and doesn't require a complicated process.